magandang buhay sa lahat, Enrique Hill, tinudok kanya muli, ang breakup issue, na pilit ikinakabit sa kanila, ni Liza Soberano. At super saya, ang mukha ni Enrique Hill, pag pinag-uusapan, ang relasyon niya, kay Liza Soberano. Talagang obvious, na happy sila together. Ayon sa interview, ni Gretchen Pulido, ng ABS-CBN, kay Enrique Hill. Gretchen asked Enrique, kung sino ang kadate nito, ngayong darating, na Valentine's Day. Ang masayang sagot ni Ken, "It's gonna be my mom, 'cause sadly, Liza, is in the US, promoting, Lisa Frankenstein. But hopefully, if she gets back, on time," she said, "she's gonna go on, and support, and watch with her." Super anlinaw guys, malakas, at matatag talaga, ang Lizken. The best, ang iniidolo nyo, Lizken fans. Ayon pa kay Gretchen, Liza Soberano, is super supportive, at super proud, kay Enrique Hill. Na-amaze din, si Gretchen Pulido, sa relasyon ng Lizken, dahil kahit busy sila pareho, pero nagtutulungan sila. Inamin din ni Ken, na may shot siya, small video promo, ng Lisa Frankenstein. And Liza helped it, and reuse also the trailer, "Hello Big Bird," from Liza Soberano. Makatotohanan lang, ang Lizken. Unbothered, sa negative mag-isip, sa kanila. Gretchen Pulido, humirit ulit ng tanong. Gretchen asked, tinatanong ng lahat, ano na ba, kayo pa ba? Sabay make heart, sa kanyang fingers. Enrique happy answered, yeah, we're happy, we're just really busy. I think we just, realize, in life, parang we shouldn't always, be just centered, around each other. Alam mo yun, parang we can do more, grow more, achieve more, and it's just make us, better. Ayon pa kay Enrique Hill, super healthy ang kanilang relasyon. At pinuri ni Gretchen Pulido, ang relasyon ng Lizken, grabing healthy ng relationship nyo, at sagot ng poging K nito, super. It means, super healthy, ang relasyon ng Lizken. Di sila nagpapatinag, sa mga taong, gustong-gusto silang, paghiwalayin. Magdiwang, ang Lizken fans. Strong couple, Lizken forever.